Good morning, everyone! I actually just took my first exam today, my marketing one, and it actually went really well and was super easy and like short, so I'm in a good mood because it went really well. Do you want to be in it?
No, I'm just looking at you. I'm all fluffy.
But yeah, Max got to sleep like a little burrito while I had to take my exam.
And
but
I got coffee delivered to me.
Yeah, you did.
Thanks, Muffin.
I remembered his coffee order, so I brought him coffee.
And we almost cried.
He did. Because he says I'm sweet. And there was something else I was going to say. Oh, Max just said my teeth look white. So I think that stuff last night actually worked. I think right away, maybe not. Maybe it develops.
Yeah, maybe after a couple of uses.
And we said that we have to keep using it because now I'm scared because I drink coffee so much that my teeth are going to turn yellow or something. Doesn't that happen if you drink coffee?
Maybe.
Or it like stains them or something. Oh my god, my battery's dying. But anyway, I just have 3 history essays to write later from 3 to 5 p.m. So everyone say a little prayer for me, seriously, because I have to go learn all of American history. But I did that before the midterm and I got an A, so yeah, I think we'll be okay.
Yeah, so don't even study.
What I really should do is pack since we're leaving in the morning for New York. And I didn't pack at all. I was going to last night and then I didn't.
We were supposed to pack us.
And instead I just like did laundry. Anyhow. Oh, and I also, instead of studying for history, I think I'm gonna go to a bar class later because bar class later because priorities. And we're taking Max's sister's bar classes in New York.
Like 3 of them.
So I gotta train for that. I gotta prepare myself. Yeah, that's all. Look everyone, it's Max eating. What a surprise. And he got 2 bagels. It's okay though. You're a growing boy. Okay, bye. I'm studying for history. Hello, Miss Abby. You're glowing because the sunlight's like coming in hitting. Oh my god, that was so hard since I haven't done barred forever.
We should get other people to come.
It was so good. I know, we need to bring other people.
We should get Max.
It's like low-key hard. You know? Like you're not like dripping in sweat like Soul Cycle, but it's like low-key, really difficult. And it makes me so sore, Abby. My butt, my arms, and my abs are like, oh. All I want to do is sleep. I might get another coffee, honestly, before my exam. I'm like falling asleep. Okay, vlog. Today is monumental. I'm drinking my 2nd coffee and I didn't even get sugar in it. Woo! Are you so proud of me? There's like a splash of soy milk and I added a bunch of cinnamon, if you can tell. And it's like so dark and tastes really coffee-y. But I don't even mind. Like I'm just drinking it anyway. Which is so weird to me because I used to hate, I used to hate the flavor of it, but whatever. And I literally just sucked this down so quick while I was waiting for our food to come. And I'm eating a nice lemon pound cake.
And our history final's in 38 minutes and Gretchen's gonna attempt to learn 200 years of history in 38 minutes, so.
Everybody just wait to see what I get on this final because I think I'm about to get 100.
Yeah, me too.
Literally, we were both saying we should have made this class pass fail. But
not that we're like doing bad, but it's gonna like, if I get like a B+, it's gonna mess up my GPA.
yeah, it's gonna be fine. If I got a B+, I'd be jumping with joy. Let's get it! Yeah. Next time you see me, I will be done with my fall of my senior year of college. I don't know how I freaking did that. I finished my 3 essays so quick. Well, I know how. I drank 2 coffees today. My arm hurts so bad. My hand hurts. It's cramped up so bad. I just wrote like a million pages. I was like, like I didn't look up once. I feel like I can't see. Whew, I was so focused. Ow, my hand hurts. I'm done. It hasn't hit me yet. It doesn't even feel like weight off my shoulders, but it is because that was my last thing to do for fall semester of senior year. Oh, this is weird. I'm about to be like emotional. I'm about to like cry in my home. I can't believe I'm almost done with college. I just have 1 semester left. Can't wait to see how my grades turn out this semester, but we will see. Alrighty, if you couldn't tell, I've had a glow up since the last time I spoke to you. I was going to show you all the clothes that I wanted to show you that I got from Express when I was in my like blue like sweatshirt with no bra and like no makeup and like a mess. And then I was like, wait a minute, I'm going out to dinner tonight in like a couple minutes with Natalie and Maggie. And so I was like, how about I show you once I'm like fresh and slicky. So I straightened my hair, threw on some like mascara and bronzer, put on a black little tank top, and here we are, glow up. So the first thing I can show you is actually this tank top that I'm wearing right now. It's so cute. It's like, what's this called? Turtleneck? Like half of a turtleneck? I don't know. Just, you can see what it does. It's a tight black tank top. It's so cute, and I don't have that many like basic things. I'm always looking, hello, for like new ones. It's kind of long, but I tucked it in to my black jeans, and actually, this is not cute right now, Gretchen. Yeah, I knew I always leave the tags on by accident. Oh my god, yeah, okay, so this is funny. I feel like generally, this can help you guys. So for sizing, I would say I'm just like universally a small everywhere, but in Express, their stuff I find runs big. So most of the stuff is smalls, but some of the stuff I need extra small, and this tank top I actually got in an extra small, which is just like so unlike me, and I'm not extra small, I'm 5'9", but I figured since it was like a tight tank top it would be okay, and I remember it was sold out in the small and the extra small, so I got it in an extra small, but it's fine. So yeah, anyway, I have a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna get rolling. I got 2 pairs of the same joggers, both in a small, and I need to exchange them for extra smalls because they're really big. If you saw in my vlog from yesterday, Max tried them on and they fit him, so if that helps, he's like 6'1" boy hockey player, like built, and they were like tight leggings on him, but still. So yeah, these are quite big, but they're still like really cute and comfy, and if you want them oversized, get them, and like really oversized, get them in your normal size, but otherwise size down. But I thought they were so cute. They literally screamed Natalie to me with like the camo and the rips. I just thought they were so her vibe, so that's why I got 2 of them, because it was just her birthday. But I'm gonna give them to her once I exchange them for extra smalls. Guys, I literally went in on Express. Like, I got so much stuff because their stuff is so cute right now. So seriously, oh, before I forget to mention, everything will be linked down below so you can shop the same items in the links down below. And I feel like their stuff goes quickly. Like my really fluffy sweater, or like sweatshirt pullover, sweatshirt from Express, that feels like a blanket that I was wearing in a vlog the other day. I know it was like sold out already, so if you like this stuff, I would recommend acting now. I got these furry booties, which me and Max put on the other day, and the reason I like Express's furry stuff so much more than anywhere else is because the inside is just as soft or softer. So these are so furry. They have little pom-poms, and they're so soft on the inside too. And yeah, I'm packing up for like winter break right now. I'm leaving tomorrow, and these are going in my suitcase because they're so fluffy and I love them. And I'll probably wear them outside, even though you're like not supposed to, obviously. Then this I'm so excited for, because if you guys remember, I have this exact turtlenecky sweater dress in gray from Express, and I love it so much, and I've worn it so much. So they got it in maroon, or I got it in maroon. They have the maroon one. They have the same version in maroon is what I'm trying to say. I think the gray one is out of stock because so many people were telling me that. They were sad they couldn't get it, but they should still have the maroon one if it's not sold out already. So yeah, definitely check this out. It's so cute, it's so flattering, it's so soft, it's so comfy. You can dress it up or down. Literally the best thing ever for the winter. And like I said, no shortage of fuzzy things. This is another fuzzy like zip up, similar to the one that you guys love so much that's gray. I'm looking at it right now in there, but I know that one sold out like I said. So maybe check this one out if it's still in stock. I just got the cream version. They have this really pretty tealish green one too that I want to get. And look at inside, just as fuzzy. Literally guys, TMI, I don't wear bras with these, and they're just like, it's like if you were like wrapped in a really fuzzy blanket naked. That's what it feels like, that level of cozy. So just highly recommend. So cute. I'm gonna wear this. I have a big long car ride to New York City tomorrow, so I'm gonna wear that in the car, I bet. Then this is so cute for the holidays. Oh my god, this is coming with me too. Oh, I should wear this on Christmas Eve. I think I'm going to. Sneak peek of my Insta on Christmas Eve when I'm looking fire, you know. The skirt's from Express. So it's really cool. I really like this because there's like some velvet details but also sequins. Like it's kind of both, but it's not like overwhelmingly sequiny because there's like spaces you see where it's just like velvet. So cute, bodycon, long enough on me. That's another thing I love about Express. Their sweater dresses and skirts are long enough on me, which is just like hard to find since I'm 5'9", so obsessed. Then I got this coat which is funny because I already have a black long parka, but I saw it on there and I was like, oh my god, it's calling my name. I freaking needed it, guys, because the inside is just like furry cheetah, and I haven't tried yet, but in the try-on I'll do it. You can detach the cheetah into a vest, and when I saw that on the model, I was sold. I was like, oh my god, it's like a 2-in-1. It's like a black, really nice winter parka, and then the long cheetah vest on the inside. So yeah, I'm so excited for that. And then this is just a black express, oh yeah, shirt, not bodysuit. And it's ribbed, black, off the shoulder, just basic. Thought it was really cute. And I just like simple stuff like that. Like I'm about to throw a little I am Gia coat over this, put on some booties, black jeans, like good to go. You know what I'm saying? This I saw and I thought was so fun. It's like this velvety holiday tank top. I just like immediately thought of the holidays, and it goes down like you can see in like a little V. So I thought it was like super cute, but it's not like too tight, and yeah, this will just be so good for the holidays. You can wear that with like literally so many things. Last but not least, a couple more things. I got a white sweater, which is just so cute because I have a bunch, this is so funny of me, I have a bunch of cream sweaters, but I don't have white ones, and this one's white. So I was like, I need a white sweater, and it has the same sort of neck dealio as my tank top. Yeah, and it's just knit and so cute. Their stuff is such good quality too, like it literally lasts me forever. Like bodysuits, like so many of my bodysuits are from there, and like tank tops like this. So the last two things I got are the same thing but in different colors. It's just these halter bodysuits, a black one and a white one. So again, so basic, so cute, will literally go with everything. I'll get so much use out of them. And yeah, I know I literally went in on an express, but their stuff is so cute right now for the holidays. And I think when I was getting that stuff, they had like a sale going on. Maybe it was Black Friday or something like that, but they're always having sales. So definitely check the description down below to check out those items. And I hope me trying them on like helped. But yeah, let's go to dinner with Maggie and Natalie to celebrate being done with fall of my senior year. Woohoo! Okay guys, I can't take it anymore. This was very unplanned to do this right now. Sorry, I have crap literally everywhere. But remember this box I showed on my Snapchat story the other day? If you follow me. Basically, I got this for myself for Christmas, but it's almost Christmas. Tomorrow's the 19th. And I'm going to break this baby out because I want it for traveling to New York tomorrow. And I want to use it for dinner tonight. And it's all new and like it's like wrapping still. But I'm just like too excited. So yeah, I'll probably do what I got for my Christmas, what is it called? What I got for Christmas video, and this will definitely be in there. But those of you watching this vlog, you get a sneak peek because I need to use this baby. It's so cute. I wanted it for so long, and yeah, oh my god, look at the inside. It's so cute. It's like light pinky tan. Ah! Hi, Margaret. Guys, look it. We're in Maggie's apartment.
Hey guys, welcome to my crib.
Oh my god, your view.
I need to do an apartment tour.
You really do.
Think of the apartment tour. Dropping soon.
Yeah, the view's like unreal.
I know.
I'm living here next to you.
I know. I can't wait to see you.
I'm moving
be
in.
my next door neighbor.
I know.
I feel like this could be like a little like dorm.
That's what I was
Just
saying.
filled with YouTubers, you know, just absolutely.
Yeah, we should make all the YouTubers.
No, literally, this is so embarrassing. I was thinking of it before.
Okay, guys. Hello. We're at Lolita. I think this is all I'm gonna vlog because we're having such a fun time. Just chatting, being gals. We're just guys.
Guys being dudes right now, you know, throwing a couple beers back, having a few tacos.
Having a burger and fries, obviously.
Yeah, I do 5 guys and bagels.
Maggie knows me so well.
Literally breakfast. I really do. Hey guys, bagel day number 5.
Hey guys, I'm not eating bagels anymore. Next day. This is my 7th bagel. I'm doing it. Ho ho ho. There's Pop Rocks on the cotton candy. Can you stick a candy bar? I know I can. This probably weighs less than negative 10 pounds. Not us. This is so good. Yum.
Yeah, my mouth is so good.
This is so good. Hi.
Hi.
How long is it taking me to pack?
9 hours.
Okay, that. And we're basically done. Woo! This is a face of annoyance. But we're like basically there. I just gotta zip up all my bags. I'm like a fuzzy teddy.
We have so many adventures coming. I'm so excited.
Me too, Squishy.
I'm so excited.
It's gonna be so fun.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't bring my knee pads and shin protectors for ice skating.
Oh, I got extra.
And my
I got skates for you.
my
too.
leg warmers. They're gonna be too big on me.
Mm-mm.
I've never worn hockey skates. Only the fake news
Yeah,
white
you're
ones.
not wearing figure skates.
No, the hockey ones look too hard.
No, they're easier.
Oh, that reminds me. I also need to pack
Skate socks.
a winter hat
Mittens.
and mittens. I have a scarf.
I forgot you were filming.
We're in the final stretch, everybody. Almost there.
Yeah.
I need to zip my bags and fall asleep. Will you carry me to bed and tuck me in? Wait, guys, can I tell them something funny?
No, I know what you're gonna say.
About last night?
Yeah.
I tucked Max in because I never tucked somebody in before. I was like, this is fun. And it was literally just like Elf. Because I didn't even know you were going to do that. Like, you knew that you were going to do that, but I didn't know. And I was tucking him in. And he was like, tickle bye. Like an Elf. And it was really funny. Okay, good night, everybody.
It was funnier in person.
Yeah, you had to be there.
Sorry you had to hear that, people.